Sit yourself down. I want to talk to you a little about Italy. Despite everything, our country becomes more beautiful with each year that passes. And art is a part of our daily lives. But it's not just about timeless landscapes and artistic geniuses. Italy is a nation of unique companies. Artisans have developed into entrepreneurs, and their small workshops have become major enterprises. This has happened to some extent across the board. It is how tailoring became high fashion. Passion has been transformed into something legendary. Even among the clouds, we're famous for a thing or two. At Azimut Benetti, we do just one thing: build boats. But we strive to make them ever more beautiful, reliable, and innovative. Here too, we use technology to enrich our products. And we do it better than anyone else. But what makes the difference is the craftsmanship and expertise of the men and women who work for us. It is the difference between something beautiful and something truly unique.